Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and
YouTube family, y'all been asking for this here recipe, so now we're gonna do us a healthy, y'all hear what I just said, a healthy fried cabbage recipe. So I got this here fresh cabbage, y'all. It's a small little cabbage eating for 2 people. I'm gonna show you how I remove this here core. It's very easy, y'all. So at the center of that core, what I wanna do is I want to split this cabbage right in half. Y'all are with your boy Ray Mack on today. I'm telling you right now, this is a healthy recipe for fried cabbage. Try this, you're gonna love it. Trust me, watch this video, don't go nowhere. Now what I wanna do is I wanna cut a V into this here cabbage to remove that whole core. It's that simple and it's that easy. Yes, it is, y'all. Now, once you remove that core from the cabbage, what I want you to do is this here, y'all. Split that cabbage right in half. Since I'm only feeding 2 people, me and my significant other, I just want to go ahead and just use half a cabbage. So I'm going to use just 1/2 of this here cabbage, and I want to cut these babies up in thin pieces. Now, I removed some of the darker leaves because I'm not a darker leaf fan or anything like that. But once I get these babies shredded up, I'm going to go ahead and wash my cabbage off. So now I'm cutting these babies up into thin strips. Do me a favor if you don't mind. Stay here, don't go nowhere. Watch this here video because if you leave right now, you're gonna miss something good. So now since we got our cabbage chopped up, I got our tricolored bell peppers, and I just want to cut off at least 2 sections of these here bell peppers. And I did wash and clean these bell peppers. And I'm also going to use a green pepper, and as you can see, you'll see it right as we do this here video. So go ahead and just cut 2 sections of each of your bell peppers, and then I'm going to remove the white membrane from these here bell peppers, and I'm going to slice them very thin. This is a great tutorial. I didn't want to edit this here particular part because I want you to feel as if I'm in the kitchen cooking with you, all right? So let's go ahead and just get these bell peppers together, and then we're going to go to the next step. Don't you go nowhere because you're going to miss something good if you do. Now we got our bell peppers already sliced up and they cut into strips. What I want you to do now is get your skillet, get your cast iron skillet, get your non-stick skillet, whatever you've gotten. Put it on medium-high heat. I'm using some olive oil right now, and I just want to put some olive oil into this pan, and I'm not using measurements, y'all. If you know me by now, I'm not a measurement king or nothing like that. But I did take one onion and I cut the onion up into strips as well. So in this skillet, I'm adding the onions along with the tricolor bell peppers, and then I want to add some of this here garlic, y'all. This is the minced garlic and red pepper garlic. So add you about a tablespoon of this here. I got my glasses on trying to see what I'm looking at. Now, after that, I want you to go ahead and just go and mix this stuff up in that cast iron skillet. Now I want you to go ahead and toss in your sausages. So I'm using turkey sausage. This is turkey sausage. I told y'all this is gonna be a healthy fried cabbage recipe, and I'm telling you now, low in sodium. Hardly no sodium at all is gonna be added to this here skillet, but it's gonna taste like you got some banging bacon grease and everything in it, but it don't. So I want you to add in your sausages, go ahead and continue to cook these down a little bit. Then I want you to take your cabbage and toss your cabbage right inside that pot as well. Once you get your cabbage tossed in, these are the seasonings that we're gonna use. But I want you to go ahead and incorporate these veggies along with these sausages and the bell peppers. Let's get everything stirred around just a little bit. Let's make some room for this here baby. Now with this recipe, you don't even have to add water to this, and you don't have to use a lid, okay? Follow your boy Ray Mack. I'm telling you, I'm trying to, y'all, I'm gonna give you the best recipe possible, a healthy recipe. For those of y'all who've been wanting to try fried cabbage, but you can't eat it because they be putting in the bacon grease and the bacon and the butter and that Cajun seasoning, trust me, this you could try. So I'm using vegetable seasoning right here, y'all. This is what you're gonna need, some vegetable seasoning. And this is that Grill Mate, vegetable seasoning. And I'm not measuring anything. Your next ingredients, I want you to use some of this here herb gardener from Weber's. She's just full of all your herbs and everything special. This is all you're gonna need to give this particular dish flavor. Now, once you try this, I guarantee you, you will not be able to tell the difference between the fried cabbage that we cook on a regular basis versus this healthy cabbage. I'm telling you it's gonna be all the same, but what's different is that you're getting a more healthier version cooking it this way than the other way. Trust and believe me, y'all been waiting for this, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. So you need to really give this recipe a try. Now I want you to cook this here cabbage until your cabbage is tender. I don't like mushy cabbage, so whatever you do, don't cook your cabbage until it get mushy because you're not gonna like it. I like my cabbage with a little bit of bite in it. All right? If you're liking what you see already, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Smash that thing right now, because you ought to say to yourself, Ray Mack is cooking us something good that we could put in our body. Now what I want you to do is this, y'all. After it looks the way that it looks and it smells so good the way that it smells, oh, you better take you a fork and you better dig into this here thing. This is all that you need in order to eat good. You understand what I'm saying? So we didn't put no salt into this. We didn't put no kind of Creole seasoning and no Cajun seasoning. This is all that you need, and I'm telling you, it is full of flavor. This turkey sausage is better than the pork sausage, and it's full of flavor. I'm telling you, even if you are a vegan, This will be a good vegan meal for you. All you have to do is just substitute the turkey sausage for vegan sausage. And I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. So I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on my photo. And then I want you to also watch my suggested videos. Love and not hate. Love somebody but hate nobody. Peace.